हाँ.
Nothing, madam. You can now continue.
Okay. Chalo, good evening, everybody. Let us start with our chapter. Yeah. Hello. Am I audible? One moment. Huh? I'm just checking. Hello. हाँ उल्लास. I will take one call. Huh? There is one important call. If it comes in between. काय आहे? Anyways, why this presentation is looking this way? All are not seen. Hello. Yes, sir. Many happy returns for the day. Okay. Yeah, we were with these. Uh, Sorry, I've started little late, so I will be continuing 5 minutes ahead, Zara, today. Is it okay? Am I not seeing myself? What is the problem? You all can hear me properly, right? येता है ना? Okay, fine. I don't know. My screen is behaving very funny today. I can't see myself properly. Something is different. Normally, I understand when I'm talking to you all, but today uh, काय म्हणतात, that logo itself is not seen anywhere here. Anyways, so and let me know when I'm like if you don't see if suddenly nowadays what's happening is that you all won't be able to hear me. So chat box मध्ये ते टाका किंवा I don't know how I will have to, but in between I'll keep on asking whether you are with me or I'm with you kind of. Anyways, so coming back to our chapter, which is a very big chapter, very long chapter rather. So we were with nomenclature. If you remember it, in between there have been, we were talking about this cyclic structures, I think IUPAC nomenclature of compounds containing one or more functional group, right? So these were the ones, polyfunctional group. I think we had done this, but I'm going back again to here. Simple monocyclic hydrocarbons, I remember this. I am going from this topic again, IUPAC nomenclature, because there has been a long gap in between. Correct? So let me just go back to this and IUPAC nomenclature of compounds. ओपन बोर्ड काढलेला नाहीये. Here you are. Compounds containing one or more functional group. The IUPAC names of compounds containing one or more functional groups include the name of the functional group as prefix and or suffix. I think we had done this, but still I want to go back as I told you. Table 14.8 shows how names of functional groups are modified when included as prefix or suffix in the IUPAC name. It can be either a side chain, what you call it as, or the main parent group. Some functional groups appear only as prefix and are shown in table 14.9. Okay, so let us have a look at that. Sankalpa, I want to ask you, did we do this or we had, we were, where were we? Had we completed this? Can you just answer my question, please? Anybody of you rather, but why I asked Sankalpa, most of the times he remembers it, so. We had done this, right? Yeah. Okay. So let me, so here we are. Now, when it is COH, it is carboxy. The prefix is carboxy and you call it as oic acid. Say for example, let me just okay, before I go further, I want you all to put into the chat box the names of, we have to start from polyfunctional compound. It's polyfunctional, no? This, yeah. But let me just once again go back. That's what I said. I remember, but I just want to purposely go back because there is a long, what happens is in between there's a long gap, and some January I think we have missed a couple of, last time also, this last time there was no class because of the few presentees, and earlier also I think we have missed. So therefore that is the reason why there is no connectivity like that. Therefore I just wanted to go back again little bit. थोड़ा revision होईल, थोड़ा revision हो जाएगा, इसकी वजह से I am just doing this once again. Okay, before I mean that small part, I want to do it. Tell me what are the names of the first 5 alkanes. Can you all tell me please? Can you put it into the chat box? Suraj, I think you have pinned yourself, right? Suraj has pinned himself. Unpin. That is the reason why I'm unpin yourself, Suraj. Suraj, unpin yourself. Yeah, methane, ethane, propane, butane. I have to change the grid. No, I did change the grid. What's wrong with it? See, now Suraj, I don't know where he went. And I told him to unpin. Now I'm not seeing. I'm seeing you and only Suraj is now. Include yourself. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, but still I'm not getting included into the grid. Normally I used to be on this side for presenting. Anyways, that is not important. Now coming back to, you have click to the first option. Okay, fine. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Okay, correct. Why I wanted this? Because now I want to go back over here, and this I want to tell you. This carboxy, the first one, COH is the functional group. It is carboxy could be the prefix if this becomes a side chain. Very rarely this becomes a side chain. Most of the time this is the functional group. So this is always the parent chain. This is always the parent chain. Okay. So now when this is oic acid, say for example, let us take this HCOOH. Okay, this corresponds to your first methane, 1 carbon atom. Here you have only 1 carbon atom. Okay, so the name is oic acid. So how will you call it as? Methanoic acid. Methane ending E is changed to methanoic, OIC, because O and E are E for what? Ending E of are vowels. So out of that, one vowel goes out and you get methanoic acid. Similarly, when this is like this, CH3COOH, how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. So this becomes ethanoic acid. Ethane, I won't write E, I will write straight away this part, OIC, oic acid. Are you following it? Ethanoic acid. So that way you get the name. So first 5 carbon atom can be mentioned as methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, pentanoic acid. Now this is called as ester group. This functional group is that you can see that ending H is changed to R. So for example, normally here you put it as R. R is nothing but alkyl group. For every this is the functional group and this is R. R is nothing but the function, the alkyl group. Now alkyl group could be anything starting from CH3, then you have that here, that is CH3COOH. This is not there. and then you are having C2H5, and then you can put any of these groups. Okay, so for example, this, now let us look at this functional group C2H5. Instead of that, I'm using CH3 only. CH3 COO. So here it will be RCOOR. Now this R can be, it cannot be H. The moment it becomes H, it becomes acid. So instead of that, you can have another CH3. So here you can have CH3. This is called as an ester. Okay, that functional group is called as ester. Alkoxycarbonyl if it is the side chain, but otherwise it is OATE. So it will be alkyl alkanoate. They are known as alkyl alkanoate. 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 So here it is this methyl. This is your this group is ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. This group, because it is, see, alkanoate, alkoxycarbonyl, that is the prefix, but if it is a suffix, so alkyl alkanoate, that is it, this group is the alkyl group. This group over here is methyl, and this group is ethanoic acid. So because there are two carbon atoms, so this will be methyl methanoate, ethanoate. Okay, then you have chlorocarbonyl or oil chloride. These all are acid derivatives. You can see that this hydrogen of the acid can be replaced with alkyl group, it can be replaced with halogen, it can be replaced with NH2. Then you have cyano group, then you have aldehyde group, then you have the ketone group, then you have OH group. So the derivatives of acid almost ends over. Even this is considered as an acid derivative. Acid is, this is the main, and all these are derived from that, that is you are getting from this, so from the acid, and therefore the names are, they are to be given as per the. So here if you have, now if you look at this COCl, now in COCl means again here you have R. Now again I'm using this R as CH3COCl. Okay, so here it will be oil chloride, any halogen. So what is this? This is ethanoyl chloride, because it is the ethane ending, ethanoyl, that is ending ANE, is replaced by oil chloride, any halogen. If it is Br, then it will be oil bromide, ethanoyl bromide. If it is C2H5 COBr, then it will be propanoyl bromide. Okay, so that way it keeps on changing as the next is what, this is also derived from CONH2. So we'll first look at this part only. This is the prefix. This is very rarely that is, it is at the higher standards will be coming, but here if it is there, this is amide. So here it is, supposing if there is again CH3 over here, CH3CONH2, ethanamide. Why? Because you have to consider this carbon and this carbon. So it is a derivative of ethane, so ethanamide. Then here again, if you can see that this is, I'm taking here CH3, CN, nitrile. So here now here it is ethane nitrile or methyl cyanide. If it is cyano, oh, but let us ethane nitrile, that is you have two carbon atoms, so it is ethane nitrile. Then you have CHO. So here supposing if you have a CH3, CH2, so this becomes ethanol. Okay, if you have COCH3, if you remember last time I had told you this as RCOR. So if you have to look at this compound, then you have to put it as CH3COCH3. Then you have ONE, because this is the ketone group. Okay, and there are three carbon atoms, so it becomes propanone. Okay, then here you have OH, so ethanol. This becomes ethane. Supposing if I put it as if I put it as CH3OH, then one carbon atom, so it becomes methanol. You can put it as methanol. Okay, and here this group, understand this, here it is al. This is, and if I put it as HCHO and this is this as CH, see the difference, huh? This is HCHO, then this becomes methanol. Methanol. So you have to be careful, A and O, and this is nol. Alcohols are alls, aldehydes are al. And here you have NH2, so amine. So here again, if you have CH3 over here, then becomes methanamine. Okay, so this is something about all the functional group. You have to see the number of carbon atom. Based on that, most of the times the ending E is replaced by the corresponding the name which is given. Are you understanding? Are you following it? Have you any difficulty with respect to what I was teaching you just now? Am I audible? Am I with you? Hello? Hello? Okay, so when I told you just now, did you follow all this, or it was little difficult, or something you want me to see? You all don't, in the first year BSc you have entire nomenclature. Right now you all don't have much of it. Entire in the sense you have many questions. Here there is just the beginning of it, and they have not given you many examples, but they have just told you to understand a functional group. So for your exams, they may ask you few of the functional groups, that what are this. But I was just trying to tell you that if those functional groups, how to use them when they are attached to the main, I mean the carbon chain. I hope you have understood it. Sankalpa, Samir has written, yes, I think that was for my, can I repeat again? What about Sankalpa? Understood. Okay. Suraj, you want me to repeat again? Okay. Let me just go back to that. Here, see, this is, here you have, this is R. Understand there is R, 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 R. Here also R, R, एंड आर. ओके, वेरेवर जहां पे कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट इज द अल्काइल ग्रुप. वो जो डैश बोला है, दैट इज द इनकम्प्लीट वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन एटम. मैं इसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, मैं फिलहाल इसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज देर आर दिस आर मोस्टली वी इट अकर्स इन ड्यूरिंग योर reactions in your higher standards. So say for example, I'm going to use that R as CH3. I can write CH3 like this also. So I'm going to put it as CH3. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकती हूँ, या जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे डाला हुआ है. तो ये एक CH3 लेके मैं, सो CH3 अगर मैंने यहाँ डाल दिया, अगर सोचो तो इसमें देखना है कितने कार्बन एटम्स है. यहाँ पे 2 कार्बन एटम्स है. अगर यहाँ CH3 नहीं है, देन यू कैन पुट H ऑल्सो. अगर यहाँ H आ गया तो भी सी. नाउ H में कितना है, 1 कार्बन एटम है, तो ये बनता है फॉर्मिक एसिड, जो कॉमन नेम है. बट अदरवाइज इट इज कॉल्ड एज मीथेनोइक एसिड. तो ये नाम बन गया मीथेनोइक एसिड. Methanoic acid. ओके, अगर ये CH3 बनता है तो इट बिकम्स इथेनोइक एसिड. ओके, देन इसके आगे अगर जाते हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू टेक, बट अगर मैं ज्यादा ले लूंगी ना तो वी मे नॉट गो अहेड ऑल्सो. चैप्टर बहुत बाकी है. हाउ मेनी चैप्टर्स आर देयर एक्चुअली? ये पहला वाला ही चल रहा है. इट इज सो ह्यूज. Benzene substitution and started with this, right? So as I was talking about, here you have this part is, if I take it as CH3, then this becomes ethanoic acid. If I then let us do this as, again यहाँ पे CH3 लगाएंगे, ये next वाला जो है यहाँ पे CH3 और ये R है यहाँ पे और एक CH3 लगा सकते हैं. So this becomes CH3 COO CH3. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे H है, if it was only H, then this becomes ethanoic acid, but it is now CH. So इसे बोलते हैं alkyl alkanoate. उन्होंने आधा ही दिया है, alkyl alkanoate, 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 alkyl alkanoate. तो alkyl group है methyl. So methyl ethanoate, ये पूरा ग्रुप होता है ethyl acid, ethanoic acid. So ethanoate होता है. Next, if you can see that यहाँ पे है, that is CH3. अगर वापस यहाँ लगाते हैं हम लोग तो CH3COCl, तो it becomes oil chloride. What oil chloride? You have two carbon atoms, so it becomes ethanoil because it has come from ethane again. So ethanoil chloride. Okay, then ये हो गया इसके बारे में. Next is you have the H. देखो हाइड्रोजन का H is getting replaced. यहाँ पे अल्काइल ग्रुप रिप्लेस हो गया, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस्ड हो गया, यहाँ पे बन गया NH2. NH2 होता है अमाइड्स, इसे बोलते हैं दैट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज अमाइड. तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे CH3 डाला तो एक अगेन देयर आर टू कार्बन एटम्स, सो ये बनता है इथेनामाइड. तो यहाँ पे इथेन अमाइड. अभी देखो मैंने ये लिखा इथेन अमाइड, इथेनामाइड, इथेनामाइड. वाई? AEIOU की वजह से मेरा वो जो ई है वो रिप्लेस हो गया. सो इथेनामाइड. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट इज, अगर मैंने इसे CH3CN लिखा, CH3CN, CH3CN. So then here you have nitrile functional group. How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So this is ethane nitrile. Now ये ethane अभी पूरा लिखना है, ethane nitrile. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वोवेल नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट अ वोवेल AEIOU में. सो इसका ई रहता है इथेन नाइट्राइल, बाकी जगह जहां पे है वहां पे ई रिप्लेस हो गया है. देन यू आर हैविंग this as, supposing I have RsCH3, CH3 CHO, तो आल होता है. आल मतलब here aldehydes are called as आल. So how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So ये वापस बन गया इथेनॉल. इथेनॉल मतलब ई वापस हो गया इथेनॉल. व्हाई? बिकॉज ए इज अगेन अ वोवेल, सो ई रिप्लेस होके इथेनॉल हो गया. इथेनॉल, नॉट नॉल. देन आगे आ गया, यू हैव हियर RCOR. तो इसको मैंने आर, ये वाला RCOR, तो इसकी जगह मैंने लिखा CH3COCH3. तो ये बन गया योर 1 2 3 प्रोपेनोन. और फिर उसका नंबर, ये प्रोपेनोन, फिर इसका पोजीशन भी बताना है. ओके, अगर सो से फॉर एग्जांपल ये हो गया CH3CO CH2 CH3. So can anybody tell me the name of this and also the functional group numbering CH3CO CH2 CH3? Can you tell me what it is? ये वाला CH3CO CH2. You are having some Wi-Fi issues. Sankalpa, you have understood. Suraj is understood. Sankalpa, you are having some Wi-Fi issues. Okay, are you still having? Are you there or you are gone, Sankalpa? Butanone, correct. Butanone, but now please give it the numbering also. Butanone. Actually, even if you don't give it the numbering, it will be at the second position, but it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 2-butanone, butan-2-one. जब भी लिखते हैं तो नंबरिंग या 2, पर जब भी लिखते हैं दैट इज अ ओल्ड सिस्टम, तो उसको कैसे लिखेंगे? ब्यूटेन, ब्यूटेन ई जाएगा वापस, क्योंकि now I have told you so. Butane to own. Numbering should come in between. Okay. Say for example, ऐसे है. तो इसको क्या करोगे? First, see how many carbon atoms, position, and put the name. It is also a ketone. These are the function. Yeah, pentane, propane. Suraj, it is propane is 3 carbon atoms, right? So this can't be propane. It will be pentane 3. Yeah, pentane 3-one. What he has written is correct. Pentane 3-one. Very true. Okay. So I think you are following it. That is what I wanted to know. First thing is understand it properly. That is my concern. Yes, very good. So now let us go back to, so these are different. ये हो गया, इसको बोलते हैं alcohols. So alcohols में this becomes, supposing this is CH3OH, so hydroxy group. This group is hydroxy. When it comes now, OH can be a side chain also. But when it is a main functional group, it is called as all. जब भी इसको ऑल अल्डिहाइड्स को आल बोलते हैं और इसको ऑल बोलते हैं. So whenever, say for example, can you tell me now this CH3, CH2, let me put it there, वहां पे अपने इधर स्पेस काफी है. CH3, CH2. What is this? Butanol. Arey wow, Suraj is answering today. Very good. 1, 2, 3. And then I am not yet completed. What was the next one? This is correct. You can put it as 1-butanol or butane 1-all. Okay. Therefore, I have, and ये देखो, now answer this. यहाँ पे देखो. Butane 2-all. Very correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2-all. Okay. So butane 1-all, and are you following? Yes. Suraj, are you following? Samir is answering. Suraj also answered. Samir answered. Yes. Suraj, all are answering. Correct. Now coming to, I'm just asking you, what is this? Is it propanoic acid, Sankalpa? Jaldi jaldi mat karo. How many carbon atoms are there? Count the carbon atom of. Ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is butanoic acid. That was a silly mistake. Okay. So it is butanoic acid. Yes. Butanoic acid. और नीचे वाला मैंने क्या डाला है? Propanol, yes, propanol, very correct, propanol. Okay, so remember now this is propanol. So ऐसे you are supposed to be applying it. Okay, always remember this. That is what I wanted you all to be confident with respect to what is. Okay, solve this, try to look into some books and try to solve the these. Now coming to when it is NH2, it is amine, ethanamine, methanamine, propanamine, and when it is as a functional group, it is amino. Okay, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका मैं एग्जाम्पल दे सकती हूँ कैसे हो सकता है से अभी वापस से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अमाइन है ना CH3 CH2 NH2 हाँ और अगर ओके टेल मी द इसको क्या बोलेंगे हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स और आगे अमाइन लगाने का है Has anybody written propanamine? Very correct. Very correct. Wow. Propanamine. Again, Sankalpa, the problem is why did you write AEIOU? So what I told you, और प्रोपेनामाइन का स्पेलिंग गड़बड़ हो गया है जल्दी जल्दी लिखने में प्रोपेन इट शुड बी प्रोपेनामाइन करेक्ट सो प्रोपेनामाइन ओके प्रोपेनामाइन दैट इज अभी इसको बोलो मुझे अभी ये हो गया अमीनो अभी इसको अमाइन नहीं फंक्शनल ग्रुप ये हो गया क्योंकि उन्होंने देखो द प्रायोरिटी ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज दिस वे द प्रायोरिटी वाज व्हाट दे हैव गिवन दिस इज द प्रायोरिटी सेम सो इसके लिए फंक्शनल ग्रुप को क्या है एसिड इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप ओके सो वापस मैं यहाँ पे आती हूँ सो ये मैंने वापस मैं लिख देती हूँ सो I will write it once again. So it will be CH3 ऐसे था तो ये क्या बनता है नो नॉट कार्बोक्सी प्रो पहले इसको स्ट्रेट अवे डोंट कार्बोक्सी प्रोपेनामाइन नहीं विच इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप दिस इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप दिस बिकम्स अमाइनो ये इसको प्रायोरिटी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इसको है सेकंड प्रायोरिटी इसको है सो अभी देखो Yes, aminopropanoic acid. Which aminopropanoic acid? Number. Don't forget to number, bacha. What is the number? Numbering should be 1, 2, 3, 4. हाँ अभी ये देखो प्रोपेनोइक एसिड देखो how many carbon atoms are there 4 so it is butanoic acid so it becomes 3 amino butanoic acid. Are you all following? Why? Because straight 4 carbon atoms, priority इसको second जाता है, priority इसको first जाता है. This is it. Say okay. वैसे ही अगर you have to start from functional group, because that is functional group. Branching also has a functional group. See, one moment, you're confused with respect to the all these are functional group. All these are functional group. These are various functional groups, correct? But the priority wise, this gets the first priority, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is five, this is six, this is seven, this is eight. This is the polyfunction. Supposing one compound has out of these two functional groups, then whom will you give the priority? किसको तुम parent कहोगे? Then you have to follow this order. Do you understand that? So when it is two functional group appearing in one, say for example, अभी वापस वही example लेती हूँ. अभी देखो OH हम लोग ले लेंगे. OH अगर प्रीफिक्स होता है तो जब भी मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है तो वो बनता है ऑल, दैट इज इथेनॉल, ब्यूटेनॉल, इथेनॉल, प्रोपेनॉल, ब्यूटेनॉल, पेंटेनॉल. पर अगर वो कार्बोक्सी के साथ आता है, कार्बोक्सी मतलब नॉट दिस, दैट इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ओइक एसिड के साथ आता है तो किसको फंक्शन, तो देखते हैं एक बार वापस. लेट अस सी. से फॉर एग्जांपल if I take it as CH3 OH, okay, and we need to remember yes, you need to remember the sequence of the functional group. You have to. Then only if in the exam they ask you, you will come to know. अभी अगर मैंने ऐसे लिखा OH, sorry, और यहाँ पे मुझे इधर ये डालना है. See, it is not simple. That is the reason why I took it once again. I know time बहुत जा रहा है, पर क्या करूँ, अगर तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया बराबर तो I will not be very happy. Okay? देखो, now you tell me. Priority wise एक बार हम लोग देख लेते हैं, फिर ये कंपाउंड. अभी देखो, प्रायोरिटी देखोगे तो C NH2 is coming after OH and COH is coming above OH. Okay, so that is the reason why I have given you that compound. जब भी NH2 amine बनता है, नहीं तो अगर it is a side chain it becomes amino. OH hydroxy बनता है, नहीं तो it becomes all. And acid तो acid जैसे oic acid है. Okay, so let us go back and just check it. Okay, now you tell me. Yeah, now let me just have a look. Sankalpa has written 2-amino propanol. Does everybody agrees to it? Yes, because this here, which is the functional group, this is the functional group, this is the side chain now. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So this is 2-amino-propanol, very correct. And this is 2-hydroxypropanoic acid, yes. Again, same thing, 1, 2 and 3. I have purposely given you this for you to understand. जो यहाँ functional group होता है, यहाँ it is जहाँ parent chain बनता है, मतलब दोनों functional group ही है, functional group all are, but the priority wise इधर यहाँ parent ये बनता है, तो यहाँ ये side chain बनता है, because उससे ऊपर वाला कोई आया है. Are you understanding? ध्यान में ये रखना है. Do you understand this? That priority when it is polyfunctional group, then you have to look at the priority. Of course, don't forget the numbering. Again and again, I'm telling you. Okay? नहीं तो it will be a silly mistake. I hope you have understood it. Now let us go further. These functional group are the last ones. यहाँ पे कहीं पे मतलब they don't become the मतलब they always are the side chains. You cannot have the parent chain is same. मतलब say for example nitro, then you have halo and here you have alkoxy alkanes. ये तीन functional groups है. Say for example मैं वापस वहाँ पे दिखाती हूँ. See, I need to show you this. मेरा ये पूरा lecture इसमें जा रहा है, but if you don't get this properly, फिर आगे थोड़ा problem हो जाएगा. अभी say for example ये है CH3, CH2, NO2. Okay, CH3, Br लेते हो या X मतलब BrCl एनीथिंग, और ये है CH3 CO CH3. अगर R के हिसाब से लिखना है तो ये बनता है RNO2, ये बनता है R. X मतलब X कैन बी Cl, Br, I, F एक्सेट्रा, और ये बनता है ROR. इसमें और कीटोन्स में गड़बड़ी मत करना. कीटोन्स बनते हैं RCOR और ये बनता है ROR. तो अगर इसमें देखना है RNO2, तो ये R क्या है? ये हमेशा it will never be the parent. It will be a derivative of alkane only. So this will be, how many carbon atoms are there? This इसे बोलते हैं नाइट्रो ग्रुप. दिस इज ऑलवेज सो नाइट्रो 1 2 3 प्रोपेन. ओके, तो इट इज ऑलवेज अ प्रीफिक्स, इट इज नेवर द सफिक्स. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. यू कैन, अगर ये सोचो नाइट्रो ग्रुप, मैं यहां से निकाल के इसको यहां डालती हूँ, तो अभी ये बन गया 2 नाइट्रोप्रोपेन. वो वहां था 1 नाइट्रोप्रोपेन 2 नाइट. इसको भी, ये भी ब्रोमो हेलो अल्केन्स, नाइट्रो अल्केन्स. हेलो मतलब एनी हेलोजन, सो ये बनता है ब्रोमो इथेन. 1 ब्रोमो इथेन, ये 1 या 2 दोनों एक ही जगह है. 1 ब्रोमो इथेन बन गया ये. ओके, और ये वाला होता है, इसको, ये ग्रुप को बोलते हैं अल्कोक्सी. इसको बोलते हैं अल्कोक्सी, अल्कोक्सी अल्केन. ये बनता है अल्केन. जो बड़ा वाला हमेशा है उसको, अभी इसमें दोनों कार्बन चेन सेम है, नहीं तो इसमें बड़ा वाला पेरेंट चेन होता है. सो अल्कोक्सी अल्केन. सो ये मीथॉक्सी मीथेन, ये नाम बन गया मीथॉक्सी. ये हो गया मीथेन है ना, तो मीथॉक्सी मीथेन. लास्ट टाइम आई थिंक सूरज संकल्प ने ये मुझे पूछा था, मैंने मिथॉक्सी मीथेन, आई रिमेम्बर दिस. ओके, am I correct? Have you understood all this? Is it clear so far? Shall I go further? इसमें कुछ बताना है? Understood, all of you. Very good. Shall I continue further? Okay. Okay, let me go. हाँ, now naming monofunctional group. So isko leke now I think we had done this once again. We'll just check it out. I have given you some examples, so I hope by now you should be able to do this. Okay, so when a molecule containing only one functional group, the longest carbon chain, of course, the rules remain the same. Longest carbon chain containing functional group is identified as the parent chain, and number is to given to the smallest local number to the carbon bearing the functional group. So functional group से जो चालू होता है वो carbon atom से चालू करना. Functional group को smallest number आना चाहिए. The parent name is modified by applying appropriate suffix. Location of the functional group is indicated where necessary and when it is not number one. So when it is not number one, then you have to locate it. Now say for example, we have done this. How many carbon atoms are over here? 4 carbon atoms. So it is butanoic acid. No need to mention it as 1 butanoic acid. यहाँ पे we have how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. So it is propane nitrile. Again, no need to mention number 1. Okay, now here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so and this is a ketone, O-N-E. It is on the second carbon atom, so therefore it is pentane 2-one. Okay, but here you have to mention it. Why? Because अगर ये जो है वो इधर आ गया, say for example इसकी जगह पे यहाँ पे तुम्हें CO group है and यहाँ पे you have CH2, then this becomes pentane 3-one. इसके लिए you have to mention the numbering. There, whenever there should not be any ambiguity. Ambiguity मतलब ये नहीं होना चाहिए, गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. Now you have ये देखो ब्यूटेन 2-one. यहाँ पे 2 जरूरी नहीं है मेंशन करना, क्योंकि अगर ये साइड भी आ गया तो भी 2 होता है और पर ये यहाँ आ गया तो ये बनता है 3. इसकी वजह से they are giving it as numbering. उसको दे रहे हैं 2 या 3. You have to mention it over there. Do you follow this? Is it clear? Anything needs to be repeated over there? Have you understood? वो वाला, have you understood those examples? Okay, good. Fine. So now let us go further. When the functional group cannot be used as a suffix and can only be as prefix, we have seen that nitro, chloro, they are always going to be the prefix. The molecule is named as the parent alkene. So ये बनता है alkene chain. This becomes the alkene chain carrying the functional group as the substituent at specified carbon. तर इकडे 3 कार्बन ॲटम्स आहेत म्हणून हे बनतं 1 नायट्रोप्रोपेन. 2 नायट्रोप्रोपेन पण होऊ शकतं. So you're supposed to be giving the numbering as 1 or 2 over here. Okay, so this example also we took it over there. Now यहाँ पे अल्कोक्सी अल्केन जो मैंने ये बताया था, मैंने सिंपल वाला लिया था. यहाँ पे अभी नाउ एट द सेकेंड पोजीशन पे मैंने बताया था I had shown you like this. This was the example I had taken. Good, they have shown you a different. So ये मेरा अल्कोहल. यहाँ पे अभी देखो 2 methoxy. This methoxy group is on the second carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 any side. So 2 methoxypropane. So this becomes the alkoxy group of this alkene chain. Okay, the larger one is the alkene chain. Okay, so this is it. Now coming to polyfunctional group. I hope this is clear. I'm going further with respect to polyfunctional group. I think I started a little late. Is it okay with you all if I end the session by 8:05 or 8 o'clock after 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes? Is it okay? Can I take more 5 minutes? Because I let me start with something new because fine. Yeah, thank you. I don't know the other two. Is it okay? Fine. Yeah. So let us go further. Polyfunctional compounds. The organic compound possessing means containing 2 or more functional groups. जो हमने लिया है, I have shown you, same or different in their molecules are called as polyfunctional compounds. When these are when there are 2 or more different functional groups, one of them is selected as the principal function, main functional group, जिसको parent chain के साथ आना चाहिए, and the others are considered as substituents, okay, or the side chain. The principal functional group is used as the suffix. of the IUPAC name, while the other substituents are written with appropriate prefix. The principal functional group is decided on the basis of following order. So priority order. So देखो, this is the priority order. Okay, almost similar to what they had given. COH, this is sulfonate group. ये अब फिर sulfonic acid group, ये फिलहाल नहीं आएगा तुम्हारा, higher standards में आएगा. Then you have the ester, then you have the halides, the carboxyl carbonyl group. No, that was what no, it was what halide group. Halide attached to a car, so it was the halocarbonyl group, oil chloride group, okay, with the halogen on the carboxylic acid. Okay, so here this is, then you have the amido group, then you have the cyano group, then you have the aldehyde, then ketones, then you have alcohols, then amines, then alkenes, and then alkynes. Okay, we have seen alkenes and alkynes. When you have alkenes and alkynes also, we have discussed that the priority should be given to the multiple bond this, but if there is a tie, then you are supposed to select the alkenes. Anyways, IUPAC rules for naming mono or polyfunctional group. Now, the longest carbon chain containing or bearing the single or the principal functional group is identified as the parent chain. Ether is named as alkoxyalkane. So ये जो देखा था हमने ऊपर, those are ethers. They are called as ethers. इनको बोलते हैं ether. Okay, they are called as alkoxyalkanes. While naming it the larger alkyl group as the parent chain. So इसको you are taking this as the parent chain. Okay. Numbering of the parent chain is done. Numbering of the parent chain is done so as to give the lowest possible locant numbers to the carbon atom of this functional group. जो मैंने कहा था कि functional group से शुरुआत करना है. The name of the parent hydrocarbon is modified adequately with appropriate suffix in accordance with the single principal functional group. अगर दो है तो उसमें जो priority wise you are supposed to give it as the suffix, और एक है तो वो ही suffix बन जाएगा. Okay. Then next is what? Names of other functional groups. Names of other functional groups, if any, are attached to this modified name as prefixes. That is side chain banta hai. The locant numbers of all the functional groups are indicated before the corresponding prefix and suffix. That is, you are supposed to be giving the numbering. Numbering is also important. The carbon in COOR, COCl, CONH2, CN, CHO is carbon atom 1 by rule and therefore is not mentioned in IUPAC. ये जो groups है ये हमेशा last में terminal आते हैं, so इसके लिए इनको number 1 ही मिलेगा. So we don't have to number it. ये कभी भी बीच में नहीं आएंगे, chain के side में ही at the end of the chain, and the chain will start from this, and that is the reason why they will always get number 1. Some problems are there, so let us solve for the next few minutes and then we can go further. That is next time. So now let us see. Now you know this. Abhi write the IUPAC names of the following: CH3, CH, CO, CH2. Now इसमें do you remember priority किसका है? Can you tell me the name of this compound? What is the compound? How is it? CH3, CH, OH. I can show it like this also. CO, I think CH3. This is the compound, no? CH3, CHCO, CH2, CH3, और एक CH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So ये बनता है CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. बोलो फिर. Does anybody know the name? Priority wise इसमें किसको priority आएगी? 2-hydroxy. Yes, correct. पर संकल्प एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया, नया सिस्टम के पेंटेन 3-on आना चाहिए. 3-pentanone मेरे टाइम वाला था और डैश आना चाहिए. तुम्हारे लिए as per the new rules. For me it was 3-pentanone was correct. So it will be correct. What he has given is 2-hydroxy pent, yes, pent 3 own, correct, because this has the less priority, इसको priority जाता है पहले. This is a ketone, ONE, ending should be ONE, and the OH group should be on the second carbon, sorry, not second carbon atom. Then we have to number it. अगर यहाँ से भी जाते हो, यहाँ से भी जाते हो, you can see that this still gets the number 3, and therefore you can, this, since this becomes now the side chain. Okay, so this becomes 1 2 3. So now it is 2-hydroxy pen 3-one. I hope everybody has understood. The other two, Suraj and Samir, are you understanding? कळतंय का तुम्हाला? सूरज, समीर आहे आपल्या बरोबर की समीर हे गेलाय बाहेर? Okay, now coming to, let us see the next one. I hope this is correct. What is the name? Yes, what, 2-hydroxy pentane 3-one, correct. Now let us go to the second one. I'm not looking at the solution. Solutions I'll see later on, because we will just check whether you are right or wrong. Okay, fine. So now come to the next one. इसको देखते हैं. This is very simple. ये मैंने example भी लिया था. I didn't see this, but I just took it as an example. तो इसको क्या आता है? This is 1 2 3 4 and so without wasting much time, this you know, I think this is, ये हमने किया है. This was the example. 2-amino-butanoic acid, very correct. CH3, CH, CH2, C, you understood your mistake, right? I was writing, so even I didn't realize it. What is the mistake? Numbering should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, 3 amino, because this, because our regular normal this is that यहाँ से देखते, but which is the functional group? This is the functional group. Very correct. So don't be in a hurry. Paper jaldi mat likho sankalpa. You will have to read it. Otherwise, you will unnecessarily make silly mistake. Okay. So ek do baar padna hai. 3-amino-butanoic acid. Very correct. Are you nobody? I mean the others. Suraj, you are there. I think Samir has. We have lost touch with. I think yes. Samir is not there with us. Okay. Now coming to, let us check whether it, what, yes, hence the principle. So C3 on the 4, therefore the name is 3-amino-butanoic acid, correct. Now tell me the next one. One, two. Yeah. C, कैसे है वो? CH3, CH, OH. But I will not give you marks. Why? Why you will not get marks? I mean, I'll reduce your marks. मैं थोड़ा सा आधा मार्क काट लूंगी. क्यों? Yes. Yes. Supposing if it was like this, CH3, COH. Of course, very rarely this is there, but I'm just giving you an example. Then, so, no, ये नहीं आएगा, ये CH3. Then what you would do? Yes, 2-hydroxypropanol. अगर ऐसे रहेगा तो this becomes propan2ol. Do you understand? That is the reason why this is correct. यहाँ पे I will cut half mark. Okay, fine. Next is one last example and then we'll stop. Okay. हाँ, ये वाला CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Tell me. Do you remember it? सूरज, यू आर देयर और नो? कि ऐसे लगा के सीरियल देखने गया है तू? थोडा अटेम्प्ट कर सूरज. प्रॅक्टिस आहे का? मी आणि संकल्पच आहोत फक्त? Do you remember this? When there are two buta, yes, buta 1,3-diene, correct. 1,3-butadiene or buta 1,3-diene. Very correct, very correct. I hope you're not looking into the book while telling me. You're doing on your own. I'm very happy. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, okay. So here now the IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzenes. We'll talk about this in our next lesson. Okay, let me know that time what happens in between. There is a lot of holidays or we don't meet, then I forget. Okay, so you just tell me what. Anyways, good. Thank you for allowing me to extend the session, and bye bye. Take care. Yes. Bye.